colour, but you see you've got some colour. Is it the grey? Some grey interesting. Yeah. I was thinking, I'm sure this is a tiny bit of colour. There isn't optical illusion.
Yeah, definitely. But actually, when I look like that, actually, I know what you mean. I think a combination of no, there is.
There is
Definitely. I know I need to. But no, I think a combination of light and your brain is just trying to
Yeah, it just feels
fill it in.